Welcome to 1797 Silver Maple Drive, an immaculate 4+1 bedroom executive home with 4 washrooms nestled on a corner lot within the prestigious Stonehaven community of Pickering's very desirable Amberlea neighbourhood. To complement the attached double-car garage is 3-vehicle parking with its stone interlocking driveway. The interlocking continued along the front of the home to its stately front entrance and to the backyard gate. The glass-paneled double-entry door is accented with wrought iron inserts and opens into an absolutely stunning main level, showcasing 9-foot ceilings with pot lighting and a tasteful decor throughout, as well as principal rooms that exude classic elegance. Directly off the foyer is a sunken formal living room with hardwood flooring, a coffered ceiling, and an exquisite chandelier. This beautiful entertaining space also brightened with natural light through windows with west and north-facing exposures. Suspended from the reception area's cathedral ceiling is another chandelier, and its oversized polished floor tiles flow through the hallway, its related spaces, and into the kitchen area, while hardwood flooring also finishes the family room as well as the formal dining room. The east-facing family and breakfast rooms are bathed in natural light, and the family room also enjoys the warmth of a gas fireplace, its mantel having a deep ledge and a stone accent surround. And the crown moldings finishing this relaxing entertaining space are also featured in the kitchen, the breakfast area, and the main hallway. A gorgeous contemporary chandelier illuminates the breakfast area, and the kitchen has an upgraded light for added brightness as well. The functional layout of the kitchen features a peninsula with seating, wood cabinetry with glass-paneled upper accent doors and under-cabinet lighting, plus a separate pantry for added storage, dark stone counters and backsplashes, as well as a stainless steel built-in microwave and dishwasher, gas stove, French door fridge, and a double undermount sink. And the kitchen also benefits from the natural light streaming through the east-facing windows. Through the sliding door walkout is the sun-washed backyard, which has a storage shed, a large entertaining deck with a gazebo, stone and perennial landscaping, as well as lattice on its fence and mature hedges on the north side for added privacy. The formal entertaining space of the dining room has an oversized entry from the foyer, a French door entry off the family room, and also showcases a coffered ceiling with a contemporary chandelier. And the main level additionally features upgraded extra deep baseboards throughout, a coat closet in the reception area, a beautiful powder room with a floating vanity, as well as a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer, cabinet storage, and the first of 2 separate entries from the garage. An arched second-story window above the front entrance floods light into the reception area and upper hallway, to which is an oak hardwood staircase, and with this level featuring hardwood flooring throughout, a double linen closet, as well as 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 washrooms, all with pot lighting and having large windows for natural brightness. Just off the landing is the main 5-piece washroom, which features polished floor tiles, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, and a water closet with a ceramic tile bath and shower area, as well as the 4th bedroom, which has a Palladian-style window with a vaulted ceiling above and a large double closet. The 2nd and 3rd bedrooms having large double closets as well. The exceptionally bright east-facing master suite has the added illumination of a lovely flush-mount light fixture and ample space for a sitting area. Its walk-in closet is complete with organizers, and its relaxing spa-like ensuite washroom showcases polished floor and shower wall tiles, the privacy of a water closet, a corner jetted tub with ceramic surround, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. Other features of this home include a central vacuum system, garage door opener and remote, new central air conditioning, as well as a recently updated roof, furnace, and windows. While next to the main level powder room is a sunken landing, which has the second of the two separate entries from the garage and the stairs to the fully developed lower level in-law suite. Incredibly spacious, this level showcases dark laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, a good-sized bedroom with a mirrored door double closet, exceptional storage including a cold room, an open concept recreation area that has a family room with a built-in fireplace surrounded by media niches with accent lighting, and a kitchenette with a dining area, cabinetry storage, a stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner cooktop with range hood. And completing this level is a 4-piece washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a vanity with countertop basin, and a bath area with sliding glass shower doors. Across the street from St. Elizabeth Seton Catholic Elementary School, a very short walk to Altona Forest Public School, and minutes to St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, as well as the Amberlea Shopping Centre, the Altona Forest, and a wide variety of shops, restaurants, and services along Kingston Road. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.